There it goes. Because I know you're in the cutscene with me, so I'm wondering if it teleports you or not.
Yeah.
What the hell is that?
I think that's what got Alpha Team.
All right.
And, yep, turn around, run. Get ready to shoot that. Further back, please.
I was gonna ask, am I too close still?
Okay, get ready. Get ready. Locked in here with it.
Say when.
Now! Aim for the bulges. Turn around, run! Run through the furnace, run through the furnace. Make sure it's following us. Okay, knock it down, knock it down.
Got it. It's heavy.
I believe you. Get ready, get ready!
I was a little bit close to it, that's okay.
Fuck, ow. Out of bullets. Push the submachine gun.
Uh-oh.
Fuck you!
Ah.
Fuck you!
Still a problem to dodge, but it was too fast for me.
So I'm out of bullets.
Alright, I still have ammo.
It's okay, it's okay. Ready? I've got a grenade.
I shoot that too.
Okay, and throw. Shoot! Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him!
Oh, sorry.
Oh wait, no, never mind. Maybe I shouldn't have lit him on fire! Ah, whatever. Give me some grenades, give me some grenades!
There you go.
Get ready on your shotgun. You just scampered away.
Alright, we on this side then?
Stay on guard, stay on... Oh, there he is! Move, 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 move!
Oh, you can do that.
Get ready!
Your bulges around.
Shoot the blob, shoot the blob!
I got lots. So I got pistol ammo, but I'm out of shotgun ammo.
I don't think we're gonna get him. Run a cycle, run a cycle!
Alright, running.
Corey? Where is he?
He's coming at me now.
Crap.
Other way. I think that was a first aid if you need it. Here.
Thank you. That's what we need to do to him. Ow, fucker!
I don't think we have enough ammo to take care of him.
I have no bullets! You're aiming for the orange bulges on it, right?
Yeah. Keep moving, so it's hard to hit him. I'm in here, so don't start that.
I won't.
Let's go this way now.
Stay there, maintain his attention. Okay, get out, get out. Stupid goddamn safety protocols. I'm beginning to regret my decision of unloading an entire magazine into that dead body. Hit it! Oh, don't hit it, don't hit it.
Yeah,
Okay, lead
16
him in a
bullets
circle,
total.
lead him in a circle.
It's coming this way. Go ahead.
No, not yet.
I was doing this thing.
He just dissipated. He's right there.
Oh, there he is.
There we go.
Okay, checking out of there.
I wanted to kill him without having to do this, but whatever.
What do you get with that?
You get a nice reward.
It's kind of like killing the asylum demon without using the drop track on him.
No, it's killing your asylum demon, killing the asylum demon the first time you meet him.
That's what I mean, yeah.
Come on!
Yeah, there's no drop. No drop, and I'm out of bullets.
We got 16 left. Do you want some of my spare ammo?
No, I'll be okay.
I've got 6 bullets I can give you, and I'll be fine.
I got you, but I'll see if I can't find any.
Okay.
Oh, hey, bullets!
That was easy.
I'll take 2. You take the last one.
All right.
And then real quick, I knew it was there.
Yeah. If you know what that one's right there, we might as well
Yeah.
get it. But we just don't have to worry about
Yeah.
getting everyone.
Like hunting them.
Yeah.
So what are you thinking so far?
Interesting so far. Once you get to use the controls, it's pretty fun.
Yeah. They added in Resident Evil 6, if you aim and fire at the same time, you do a quick shot. You do a quick shot, which can be helpful in terms of like not getting surprised. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, look, it's Eileen the Crow.
got it.
You got what?
What was that thing?
BOW that scumbag Irving left behind to set us up.
Bioorganic
Considering what
weapon.
it did to Alpha Team,
Corey.
I think
Okay.
we're lucky to still be breathing.
If only we could have gotten there sooner.
If we had, we'd probably be dead too.
That's a fair point.
Chris to HQ, do you copy?
This is HQ. Excellent work out there. We'll analyze the data immediately.
This whole town's gone to hell. The people here, they're acting like those Ganado detailed in the Kennedy report.
Resident Evil 4.
Aside from that, there's something new, something we've never encountered before.
Our transportation has been taken out too. Requesting a mission update.
The mission stands. Capturing Irving is your top priority. We believe he may have fled to the mines on the other side of the train station.
Wait, we're the only two left. You want us to go in there alone?
Delta team have been dispatched and are on their way. They'll assist you in locating and apprehending Irving.
But wait, we
I
can't!
repeat, your mission stands. We can't afford to let him get away. Proceed to the mines beyond the station. Over and out.
This is insane!
You ever get the feeling you're expendable?
That's it. Gaze longingly into each other's eyes before the cutscene ends.
Yeah.
And your accuracy was better than mine.
Hey.
Probably because I emptied the magazine into a dead body.
Probably.
That might have had something to do with it. Alright, I'm good to go for one more if you want.
What time is it? How long have we been going so far?
I think about 30 minutes?
I think it's been longer than 30 minutes, like at least an hour, but...
I'm good to go for one more.
Okay, we can go for one more. I just need to make sure I have time to edit.
Okay.
Alright,
So-
we're gonna have to buy some ammo, I think.
Probably.
Oh, melee vest. It's expensive.
Yeah, I don't think we can buy ammo, but go to your treasures and sell them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm grabbing a melee vest.
Okay, I can afford that now.
So remember, you gotta put your armor in a pocket of your armor. Okay. Throw me the pistol bullets when you're done.
There you go.
Thank you. And here we go.
Alright.
Ready up.
I don't have enough money for anything else.
No, you do not.
I was thinking of buying a first aid spray or something, but